What is the cost to repair flood damage to a car? Have you ever wondered how much it costs to repair a car damaged by flooding? This is a question many car owners face, especially in areas prone to heavy rain or storms. The answer can vary quite a bit based on several factors. Generally, the cost to repair flood damage can run into thousands of dollars. This is because flooding can impact many systems in a vehicle, including the engine, electrical components, interior, and transmission. When water gets into a car, it can lead to corrosion, short circuits, and even mold. These issues can be expensive to fix. For instance, just replacing a flooded engine can cost anywhere from $3,000 to $8,000, depending on the make and model of the car. Electrical repairs can add another $1,000 to $3,000 to the bill. Now let's talk about insurance. If you have comprehensive coverage as part of your auto insurance policy, you may be covered for flood damage repairs. Comprehensive coverage protects against damage from natural disasters like floods, storms, and hail. However, if you only have liability coverage, you will be responsible for all repair costs out of your own pocket. When you file a claim for flood damage under comprehensive coverage, you will need to pay a deductible first. For example, if your deductible is $500 and the total repair cost is $2,000, your insurance will cover $1,500 after you pay your deductible. Deductibles can vary, so it's important to check your policy details. In some severe cases, the damage from flooding can total a vehicle. This means the cost to repair exceeds the car's actual value. If this happens, the insurance company will typically pay the actual cash value of the vehicle minus your deductible. This payout may not cover any remaining loan or lease balance on the vehicle. To help with this, some drivers choose to purchase loan or lease gap coverage. This type of coverage pays the difference between what the car is worth and what you still owe. To sum it up, repair costs for flood damage can be quite high, often reaching thousands of dollars. Comprehensive insurance is necessary to cover these repairs, while liability-only policies will not help. Remember, you will pay a deductible before your insurance kicks in. If the damage is severe enough to total the vehicle, the insurance payout will be based on the car's value. Gap insurance can help cover any remaining payments if your car is totaled. If you live in an area that is prone to flooding, it is wise to consider comprehensive coverage to protect against these high repair costs.